What if I told you that up to 60% of the sales your Facebook ads generate are not even showing up in your ads manager? You might be pausing profitable campaign right now simply because your tracking infrastructure is leaking data. Today, I am going to show you exactly why the traditional metapixel is broken and how to plug the leak using server-side tracking. For years, I relied exclusively on the Meta browser fixer. When someone brought a product or filled out a lead form, the browser sent a signal to Meta. But today, between aggressive ad blockers, browser restriction, and iOS update, that browser signal gets blocked before it even reaches Meta's server. You look at your GA4 dashboard and see sales, but Ads Manager shows nothing. Meta's AI is optimized based on incomplete data, which means you are wasting budget on audience that look like they are failing, but they are actually converting. The solution is not testing another creative hook, it's building a dual layer tracking strategy. I keep the pixel, but I back it up with the conversion API. CAPI does not rely on the user's behavior. It fires directly from your server to Meta. When I audit accounts, the first thing I do is configure a server container in Google Tag Manager, hosted on Google Cloud Platform step.io. By routing the data this way, I completely bypass browser interference. I capture first-party data and send it securely to Meta to boost attribution match rates. You might be wondering, if I use the pixel and CAPI, won't Meta count the same sale twice? No. I configure event deduplication using a unique event ID, so Meta seamlessly merges the overlapping signal with a double counting. Once this is live, your goal is to check your event match quality score. If you are hitting good or great, you have successfully plugged the leak. Stop letting broken tracking dictate your ad performance. If you want to scale your revenue, you have to feed the algorithm the truth. If you are an e-com brand or scaling a savvy business and your ROAS is tanking, then you can WhatsApp me or email me. Let's get your tracking infrastructure dialed in. Hit subscribe and I will see you in the next one.